Hello children, this is video 3. Now I just wish you people to see the example problems if madam has not done. The example problems which are done here for you, you must see them, you must see how they have done, and see, for example, example 1 we have just now done, but example 2, this has been done even in the PDF. They have done those examples. Now Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for ₹9. I am just doing from the textbook only. And her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romila, and she also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind for ₹18. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Algebraically means you have to put it in the form of equations you have to write. That is algebraically. So see, they have written here, let us denote the cost of 1 pencil by ₹X and 1 eraser by ₹Y. This is the way you have to do for the exam also. Then the algebraic representation will be given by the following this equation, 2x plus 3y. Why? Because 2 pencils and 3 erasers she has bought, Romila. So 2 pencils means 2x, 3 erasers means 3 into y, 3y. It is equal to, total is 9 rupees. The other one is 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Now see, when you see these two equations only, you must be able to tell something here. You must be able to note something. What do you know? See, a1 by a2, 2 by 4, 2 by 4. You can just see here, a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4. b1 by b2 is 3 by 6. And that is also, if you cancel, you will get 1 by 2. Then this -9, -18, if you take it to the other side also, or keep it here also, doesn't matter. 9 by 18 also will give you half only. So what does these equations mean then? See, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 in this case. So the two lines, when you draw on the graph, they will be one and the same line. So they have shown in the next page. See here, same line you get. 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. They plotted and showed here. And even for the other, this one, it will be you will get points, same points you will get actually. And that means what? You will get one and only one equation, same line you will get for the other equation also. So what does it mean? They are coincident. You know the rule before only, I have just revised in the video 1, that if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then they will be the coincident lines. So this is the thing they have shown you in this example problem. Okay. So next problem, I don't know whether madam has done. I think she has done. Somebody told me like that. I don't remember now. Now 2 rails are represented by the equations x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. See here also, by looking at the equations only, you should be able to find out whether the nature of them, whether they will intersect or coincident or parallel. You can see. See, x means coefficient is 1 there. Yeah, coefficient is 1. 2x means coefficient is 2. So a1 is 1. So a1 by a2, I'll just write here if you want. 1 by 2 it will be. Then b1 by b2, it is also 2 by 4. And when you cancel, you get half. But a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. But let us see whether it is equal to or not equal to c1 by c2. See now, 4 by 12, c1 by c2, you get there minus 4 by minus 12. When you cancel, you get there 1 by 3. So what do you mean? What do you understand here now? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. You have to show like this. You have to show how I wrote here. In that manner you should learn to show like this, and then say what will be the nature of these lines now. By plotting and all, they did see graphically, they have shown, because they had asked in the problem algebraically and graphically. So suppose such a question comes, you must be able to answer. So graphically, when they did know, they prepared the table and everything was done, and this one they plotted. They got two lines parallel there. See, they got two lines parallel. So you could make out by seeing the equations only. You could make out whether they'll be parallel or whether this one, whether coincident. You can make out beforehand only. After plotting also, you will get that they are parallel. See, so that is very important. And then madam must have done exercise 3.1. It is just like these example problems, and then you come to know here table 3.4, just what we did now all this time, table 3.4. And in this page everything they have explained, infinite solutions, unique solution, everything about that they have told. You can if you want, you can just read it. To remember it, you can read it. And now in this, they have they have given in table 3.4, they have written the equations there. Whatever I discussed just now, it is given here. And parallel lines, coincident lines, intersecting lines, they have written here everything. And finally, so this is over our revision. Today's about 3-4 videos, we'll just revise, that's all, just a revision. Then I'll start the problems what is stopped, till where madam has stopped. I'll start from there. And so please see all these examples. Okay, all the examples you have to see. Then exercise 3.2 she has done, I think. And see whether you have done. Everybody should do it. Everybody should have completed this. The other day, 2-3 books I have seen, but it was not completed like that. Only few problems I saw there. Don't do like that. Please do all the sums, copy down all the example problems, and do the exercise sums. But of course, elimination method, I need not ask you to do substitution and cross. If you have already done, it's all right. Don't worry. If you have done, it's all right. I don't okay, then I'm going to stop now.